Welcome to Chilango's cooking channel. Today we're gonna make beef burritos with salad and with rice. So all we're gonna need is to prepare the rice, twice the amount of water compared to the amount of rice, and I'm using a few veggies, salt. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic and onion. We're gonna use a rice cooker, so boom! They're gonna be ready while we prepare the rest of our ingredients for our prep. Look, the rice is ready. But meanwhile, I was also making the fried beans. So a little bit of garlic and onion, and then once they are soft, we're gonna add the beans. I'm adding here salt, epazote, and of course butter or margarine in this case, just to keep the moistureness, and then just smash, and then you have frijoles refritos. Let's move on to warm up our flour tortillas. So all we gotta do is put them on a pan without any oil, and then just keep them warm in a bucket. You can also use a cloth. Also, we prepare the beef. For more details on the beef recipe, check the link below in the description. And you can check our bistec tacos, where we explain how to make the beef in 2 different preps, pounding it and then cutting in cubes, and also with the sous vide. This one I'm using right now here is what I had left from the sous vide, so you can see it's medium. It's still a little bit rawish, and it's perfect and super moist and tasty. Now I'm adding a little bit of cheese and let it just fry on a non-sticking pan. So all the cheese is gonna melt, and it's gonna be easy to remove once it's ready. If you're making in a restaurant or in a bigger kitchen and you have a flat parrilla, that will be the best also to give you the authentic result of a street place. Anyhow, we can see now the cheese is melting, nice and steamy, and all the flavors are ready just to get into our burrito. To assemble our burrito, all we need to do is first with the tortilla, and then we add the beans that we just recently prepared. And then we're gonna add some guacamole. For more details on the guacamole, you can check in the link below to check a recipe for guacamole. Then we add also sour cream and the rice. And finally, to top it all, we are gonna use of course salsa that we also prepared in our bistec video. And now we're adding the beef. And now we're ready to wrap it up. So make sure that you put all the ingredients in the middle of the tortilla, so you can easily just fold the sides inwards and then fold it forward, making sure that everything stays just inside the burrito. If you want to make a lighter version, you can use salad instead of rice. And then we're also adding here our beef. And as you can see, both recipes are delicious and they are packed of flavor. And we are ready to enjoy our burritos. And that was all for the video. Thank you. I hope you liked the recipe. Enjoy with all your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, give a big like, share with everybody, and see you next time.